Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to quickly fix your internet connection in three methods guys. First method, I go to start and right click on it and click on network connection. Change adapter option. Right click on it. Here I'm not disabled it. You need to enable it. That option should be enabled. That's the first method guys. And the second method, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. Here you need to go network and internet option. Go to connections, LAN settings, click on it. Here you need to uncheck the box, use your proxy server for your LAN. You need to uncheck the box, click OK, and that's the second method guys. Restart your computer. Hopefully we're having internet once again. Third method, I am going to show you command promote. Go and right click on the and go to task manager. Here file option, run a new task. Here you need to type cmd, create this task with administrator privileges, click OK. Now guys, check my video description for this command. I have two commands to do it. First command, copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it, press enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. The next command, copy that and tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it, press enter guys. That's it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you like it. For make changes you need to restart it. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up.